welcome back to another video. Today I will be sharing with you my everyday makeup routine, and it's super simple, super easy. It's literally what I have on right now. I don't add I don't contour, I don't do eyeliner, highlight, I don't do any of that because I don't have time in the morning. So I wanted to share with you all my everyday makeup routine. If you are interested, then just keep on watching. First thing I always do is I do my eyebrows. Just because I'm just used to doing my eyebrows. And this is using that, sorry, I forgot to tell you, this is using the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and it's in the shade Neutral. So I just basically do it really quick. And again, this is my everyday makeup look. Like, I'm going to work. This is really cheap. It's only like $2 at Walmart or Target, so it's very, very cheap. And in the morning, I literally only give myself like 30 minutes to do my makeup. So sometimes it doesn't look the best, but it's okay. So a lot of the products I'm using, they're drugstore products, which I love because since I'm using them every day, I'm not thinking like, oh my god, this is like $45 or $42 or whatever. So I just quickly do my eyebrows in the morning. And then I clean them up with my Maybelline concealer, and this is in the shade Sand. So I love this concealer, and I'm just using a small flat little brush. So it's a small little brush. Just with my finger, I usually just use my finger in the morning. I just grab some of the concealer and just do this. Just add some concealer, and then underneath, you can already tell that my bags are going away right after I add the concealer. So I like to use my finger because I'm in such a hurry and I'm just trying to get out of my house. So this is like my everyday makeup look. I already put my my moisturizer and all of that. The next thing I put on is my foundation, and I use a drugstore foundation. I use the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup Foundation, and it has some sunscreen on here, which I love. And this is the one. And this shade is N3, which is a natural buff. I have this one, and then I have a W4, I believe. And I love both of those. And this is the brush that I'm using. I use the Morphe White Tan brush. It's a little fluffy brush. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty. And then I just spray it with my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. I just spray a little bit so it can be wet. And then I shake this one. Oh my god, I look crazy right now. And so I was using the W3, the W4, but it was a little bit dark, so then I switched it up to this one, which is a lighter shade. I love this one. I love this foundation. So So then after this, what I like to do is my concealer. So I use the same concealer. I use the Maybelline in the shade Sand, and I just pack it under my eyes. And then with my tiny little beauty blender, I wet it a little bit. Okay, and then after this, I grab another small little beauty blender and I'm just gonna set my concealer. Okay. And then obviously I set my eyes because I put some concealer on here. So I make sure I set those two. Oh my god, I look crazy right now, but I don't care. And then I'm just gonna brush everything off. But I'm just gonna add a little bit of bronzer. This has been my go-to palette. This came in the EXO haul box, and this is the 18T by Morphe. It's really dirty. So I use the Morphe M573 brush, and then I just grab. So these are the ones that I use. I use this one here, and then that one. So I'm just gonna mix a little bit. And just pack it on my eyelid. And then with the small round brush like this, I'm going to add the same shade. So right here, under my eye. And then the last thing that I do is my eyelashes. I don't use any falsies, but I do curl my eyelashes with a spoon. And I promise this works. Okay, and then I usually just use my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I really like this mascara. Last thing I do is I just add some chapstick. I just have this one on hand. It's in the flavor cherry. This is like the final result of my everyday makeup routine. It's crazy because I used to add like eyeliner, highlight, and I don't have time for that anymore. I give myself 30 minutes and I can accomplish this in like less than 30 minutes before I get out of the house. So thank you all so much for watching. If you guys have any tips, any comments, make sure to comment down below, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you all next time. Bye.